I know that I can't change anyone's mentality. I know I can't do anything. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकते. I know I can just say few words like stupid. Okay, fine, I'm saying few words like stupid person to you all. It may look like I'm stupid, saying to change the mentality. It's, yeah, but what to do? I have only words to say in this world. What to do? Only have words to say. If that person himself, he wants to change or not, it depends on that person only. So I can't do anything. So it's that person. It starts from your thinking. You have to change yourself. You have to think that you should not think negative. You should not take people in negative way. That's it. Because I know it's very tough for anybody to change their thinking, because I don't know why it's like this. Whatever. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Sonia Queen. How are you all guys? So today actually I came here to tell you all guys something very important thing. So first I want to say to few people, like I have been seeing hateful comments, which is very sad to see. That symbol, like in this kind of generation, mansplaining mentality and thinking is not changed still now, which is very sad. Please don't judge manspelko bidi judge kalamna hama on the basis of color or body size or in any shape or in religion basis. Mana judge kalama. What do you get by judging? Before judging others, at least you should think twice that beman sa ma feel kalama. Okay, fine. I have habits. I'm like feeling my heart, like making my heart very strong. But they won't be able to bear it. So depression of hunger. So be depression and some people, of course, suicidal langa. So don't ever judge people on the basis of color or body size or anything. It's not good. Yeah, it's really not good. How will you feel? Nung mabiti feel kalamgan, like if somebody you obviously you nung serbo to gazri man gana nung serko serba gazri na ba, and plus nung saya malay nai kobo skwa malay kobo na ba. If you hate someone, you hate yourself na. Nanga boy kobo hate kalam zapana lugiya, like you want others also to hate because you hate that person so much. If nang nai na skwa ba nai na nga ba, and if you hate that person, malay man skobo nanga bu phano na gere. Mana like why you have to follow that person whose mentality is bad na? Be positive, at least ऐसे बाबा positive san. Mana je ki batra je ki kata paya, always it goes in a bad thinking only. Everything it's bad only, bad. Don't be like this. It's like you're disturbing yourself only, you're disturbing your mental health only. Because of racist, because of judging the person by looking by at least change hatreds everywhere. Don't be like this. Be positive, think positive. Just see how will you feel. If you're thinking always negative, then your life will be totally in negative way only. So don't be in the negative line. Be positive, always be happy, be positive, think positive. Then see how your life it changes, because negativity doesn't bring any good thing in your life. So please don't be like this. Don't judge others. So yeah, that's all. So again, once more I will say to all of you, thank you so much for the love and the support.